Hey guys, since our students are taking their Just Mercy test on Friday, I wanted to go ahead and create a sample test so that they could view how this assessment would look in CTLS Assess and hopefully minimize any stress that they might have coming into the testing environment on Friday. So the assessment that I created, I have already shared it with you, and I want to show you how to access that assessment. When you're in CTLS, you want to click on Assess, and then at the top of the screen, if you click on Assessments and scroll down, you're going to search for the assessment that I've shared with you. In the first drop-down menu, click on Shared, because it's a file that's been shared with you, and then in the Authors section, just type in my name. Click Search. And the only thing that I have created and shared is the CTLS constructed response for practice. So if you want to use this assessment, just click on it. In the lower left-hand corner, if you click on that icon, that it will allow you to preview the assessment. And you can see this constructed response prompt is pretty generic. The whole point is just to give the students an opportunity to preview what an assessment would look like in CTLS Assess. So there's the prompt for you. I hope that that is helpful to both you and your students, and I certainly hope that you have had a good day. All right, I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.